So when you first start off calisthenics, you first have to learn the basic exercises if you're going to go into the harder skills. And unlike a Kung Fu master, I'm not going to give you a whole bunch of exercises to help clean my house.
I put my jacket on 1,000 times, I took it off 1,000 times, okay? This is stupid.
There are multiple beginner calisthenic exercises that you need to learn in order to call yourself a calisthenic athlete. One of them being the L-sit. No, not that type of L-sit, the L-sit. Learning the L-sit will help you establish that beginner strength needed to learn harder skills such as the V-sit. So the L-sit works the abs, specifically the lower abs, hip flexors, and chest and triceps to a lesser extent, meaning that you need to condition these muscles in order to prep for the L-sit. Push-ups, dips, and hanging leg raises are perfect exercises to do in order to build the foundation for this movement. So starting off learning the L-sit, it's important to start off learning it on yoga blocks or parallettes because of the increased range of motion, making the exercise easier. As you progress, you can decrease the size of the parallettes or yoga blocks just to make the exercise harder. In the beginning, your L-sit may be shakier than a Parkinson's disease, but as you progress, it should get stiffer than a guy taking blue chew.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so the exercises you need to perfect the L-sit will be pike compression, tucked L-sit, one-legged L-sit, as well as hanging leg raises, or tucked leg raises. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys 3 different workouts that you guys can use easiest to hardest on your push days to help you transition to the L-sit. Alright, so for the first workout, it's gonna be push-ups, 3 sets, 8 to 10 repetitions, L-sit push-ups, 3 sets, 8 to 10 repetitions, tucked L-sit hold, 3 sets, 5 to 10 seconds, and pike compression, 3 sets, 10 to 12 repetitions. So for the second workout, Cobra push-ups, 10 reps, 10 to 15 reps, and then for dips, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps, L-sit hold, 5 to 10 seconds, pike compression, 3 sets, 10 reps, and then at the end, you're gonna do a 10-second hold. All right, so for workout 3, it's gonna be pyramid push-ups, 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps, push-ups, 3 sets, 10 to 15 repetitions, L-sit hold, 3 sets, 5 to 10 seconds, and tucked or straight hanging leg raises, 3 sets, 5 to 10 repetitions. Leg compressions, 3 sets, 8 to 12 repetitions. So I suggest to rest 3 to 5 minutes between sets and to adjust the reps and rest between exercises where need be. A tip to do for the pike compression exercise is something called overcoming isometrics. It was invented by Bruce Lee. It's where you put a weight that you know your legs won't be able to lift, so that you'll be able to contract the most amounts of muscle fibers for each rep. All right, so when you're able to hold the L-sit for about 5 to 10 seconds, congratulations, you've now learned the L-sit. Now you can take that pic for the gram. You've learned your first ever calisthenic skill, and you're one step closer to getting just as big as me. But you're not done yet. So there are 2 different variations of the L-sit, depressed and protracted L-sit. So while there's nothing wrong with a little bit of protraction within your L-sit, depression makes the exercise a lot harder, working your rear delts, your triceps more. So it'll just help you get onto hard exercise such as the V-sit. So you need a lot of depression. In order to do the depressed variation of the L-sit, all you gotta do is bring your shoulder blades down. You may notice that in the beginning you're only able to hold it for a few seconds. So if you notice that, you can always switch to a higher parallettes if you have them, or use yoga blocks or something like that until the exercise gets easier. So before watching this video, the only time you could do an L-sit was when you're reaching under the couch. But now, that couch is reaching for you. You're one step closer to becoming an elite calisthenic athlete. If you guys want a V-sit tutorial, comment down below. And whatever you do, don't let your gains.